Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Friday, December 3, 2021. You haven't seen her for a while. This is our 1950 18-foot Chris-Craft Riviera. If you remember, she came in, well, we called her the skeleton boat, and we've had to remake her structure and her bottom and eventually all of her deck planking extensively. At this point, we've dealt with all of the bottom frame issues, the transom frame issues. We have sealed everything in 3 coats of clear penetrating epoxy sealer, and then applied, as we always do with 5200 bottoms, 6mm Aquatek Meranti Maring Plywood as the inner skin. And then all of these planks you see before you are 3/8 thick Meranti mahogany planking. We don't use the original planking. This boat is 71 years old. That means we would be relying on 71-year-old mahogany as the security between you and the water. So we will finish painting the bottom. She will receive pettit hard racing copper bronze bottom paint, at which point we'll be able to start working on finishing the top sides, flip her back over, and then, well, we'll be back to dealing with a bit of skeleton work. So this is our update on December 3, 2021 on our 1950 18-foot Chris-Craft Riviera. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.